What's going on? How y'all doing this morning? So it was official last night that Amy Conway Barrett got sworn in the Supreme Court by Clarence Thomas. Talk about ironies of ironies. So she was sitting up there, super spreader event. Ruth Ginsburg wasn't even iced in the casket, and they already pushed the agenda for this woman who is stuck in the time warp stone ages of law. And it was expected. That's the way the needle dropped, far as that go. You know, you know. She already know ain't no love lost. Most of the ones that have been put in there by Trump coming there with baggage, suspect behaviors, and have an agenda that just isn't healthy. But that's what politics and agendas are about. I do believe this is going to backfire rather sooner than later. There are more pressing issues than getting some woman in who looks like she's stuck on Little House on the Prairie meets Leave It to Beaver. But that's another story, another time. Supreme Court justice, though, pardon me, can go so many different ways on so many different issues. The logic, the logical, the logistics, the matters. But it's important that you know who and what and where they stand on certain issues. It really and truthfully can go either way. Some of them have a balance. They have to have a balance. Pardon me. There has to be a voices of reason. But you know how calculating and the way Trump thinks and this agenda. So, ironically, 5 of Mike Pence's personnel weren't invited, Pence neither, to the event. So that's saying something about what's going on. But again, not taking as serious as it should, though the rest of the country is starting to deal with the rise again in the virus. But the real virus is those Supreme Court judge hacks. That's the real virus. Because some of them are stuck in old Jim Crow-ism, and you see their agenda. There's no balance, but that's what gets put there. And that's why a lot of people look at it. And the biggest thing is what's going to happen to healthcare, what's going to happen to Roe versus Wade, racially, etc., etc. But getting this woman in is just the same old same. She's just part of the same old cog and machine that is stuck in a time warp just the way they like it. So I'm not feeling this move, and I do believe it will backfire, and I could care less. But keep your eye on her. She got some old-timey Jim Crow-ism about her. She ain't up to no good. Anyway, that's my thoughts and takes about Amy Conway Barrett being sworn in Supreme Court Justice. You see how fast they get things done when they want to? Don't tell me it ain't white privilege. Give me your thoughts, your takes, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell rings new video. Wash your hands, keep your mind clear, watch out for one another, and it's the same old logic that is selective.